Hi guys, okay, so I am here with a hair tutorial today. This is my first ever hair tutorial. I usually don't do hair tutorials because that's not my strong point. And let alone I really don't usually do anything to my hair. I usually just go into the shower, jump out, and whatever way it dries is the way it stays. This is the final look. I'm really liking it. I might actually start doing my hair more often. But at the end of the tutorial, I forgot to show you the products that I used to keep the curl in. I used the Extra Body Finishing Spray by Paul Mitchell. It's like one of the smaller ones. I got it in like a pack from Ulta during like Black Friday, I believe. And then I used the Extra Body Boost, Daily Boost, for from Paul Mitchell as well. And it's a root lifter. I just put that on my roots. I used the Hot Tools Waver. I got this offline for about 25 bucks. I don't even know which website I got it from. I really can't remember. I love this look. I love it so much. But yeah, if you want to achieve this, then keep on watching. And if you enjoy it, then thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, first I just comb it out. Make sure there's no knots. And then I put some of heat protection on it. Mine is Beyond the Zone Pro Formula. I got 2 of these because they were on sale at Sally's, so whatever, it'll do. And just spray it. I have such long hair, it's ridiculous. Okay. It smells kind of good. Alright, now I'm gonna comb that through. I don't know how I feel about this product though. Don't really like it. You can use whatever one. I would not recommend this one. This one is like, makes your hair like greasy. And I don't know if that's how it's supposed to work. I start from the top. Hold on. Too much hair. And then I just hold it on for a couple seconds. And then down. And then work my way down each strand. Then I go to the next one. I just parted my hair halfway up. I forgot to show that, but wait, that wasn't long enough. Hold it a little bit longer. I almost just burnt my ear. That would have been fun. This is going to take a while. I have a lot of hair to work with. Now I'm going to just take the part down. I'm gonna tie this one up, this piece, the pieces that I did already, so it doesn't get mixed in. And then start on the other section. I'm just gonna put this one up, this top crown part. I usually just like wrap it up, and then the little string right here.